The family Faralli owns 5 hectares of vineyard, and the farm is composed by other 150 hectares of field they used to cultivate wheat and sunflowers. The vineyard is only a small part of the farm, and they have a small production of wine. Most of the vineyard is of red wine, and only half an hectare is of white grapes. The farm also owns about 200 olive trees, and they make their own olive oil. All the works in the vineyard are made by hand, so the vineyard will last more years. Usually a vineyard which is treated good lasts 50 years. Actually, a plant of grape can live also up to 100 years, but when a plant goes above the 50s, is not productive. It doesn't make so much wine. These plants belong to the older part of the vineyard, and these plants are about 40 years old. These plants in particular are 100 years old. We keep this line of grapes not because it makes wine, but because it's this line of grapes has been here in the farm before the family bought it. So it's like a symbol of the farm. As you can see, these plants made some grapes, but they are not productive to use them to make the wine, because they produce only a couple of grapes. This is a part which produces Sangiovese grape. It is about 7 years old. Here you can see the way we cultivated the plants. The plants are left a bit. They are left to grow a bit tall, so it's more comfortable when we pick the grapes. In the vineyard, they tend not to use chemical pesticides. They use only organic products. The family Faralli has owned this farm for 3 generations. They have bought the farm in 1958. This farm used to belong to the church, and there were monks, and they had a tradition of winemaking. The family has always worked in the farm. They don't have extra workers. They do everything by themselves. They only hire 2 or 3 extra workers during harvest.